Welcome to AI Watch, where we decode the future of artificial intelligence for developers, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts worldwide. I am your host, bringing you the most significant developments shaping the AI landscape. The artificial intelligence industry is experiencing a seismic shift that could fundamentally change how developers interact with AI models. At the epicenter of this transformation is Google's decision to open source their Gemini command line interface, a move that represents far more than just another tool release. This is a strategic pivot that could reshape the entire economics of AI development. To understand the magnitude of this development, let us first examine what makes Google's approach so revolutionary. For years, the AI industry has operated on a cloud-first model where developers pay per token, per request, or per API call to access powerful AI capabilities. This model has created significant barriers to entry, particularly for independent developers and smaller companies who must carefully ration their AI usage due to cost constraints. Google's decision to make their Gemini CLI largely free for developers dismantles these barriers in one decisive move. The technical architecture behind this shift is equally impressive. The Gemini CLI creates a direct bridge between Google's advanced AI models and local development environments. This means developers can now leverage Gemini Pro 2.5's capabilities directly from their terminal without the friction of switching between different interfaces or managing complex API integrations. The implications for developer productivity are enormous. Imagine being able to query an advanced AI model about your codebase, generate documentation, or debug complex issues without ever leaving your development environment. This integration represents a fundamental rethinking of the developer experience. Traditional AI workflows often involve copying code snippets to web interfaces, waiting for responses, then copying results back to the development environment. The Gemini Slick eliminates these context switches, creating a seamless flow between human creativity and AI assistance. This is not just about convenience. It is about maintaining the cognitive flow state that is crucial for complex problem solving. The strategic implications of Google's move extend far beyond technical convenience. By offering their CLI tools at no cost, Google is essentially commoditizing AI access in a way that forces competitors to reconsider their entire business models. This is a classic platform play where Google sacrifices direct revenue from AI access to capture value through increased developer adoption and ecosystem lock-in. The long-term strategy likely involves creating such a compelling developer experience that teams naturally gravitate toward Google's broader cloud infrastructure and services. The timing of this release, alongside Microsoft's Mu model launch, reveals the coordinated nature of this industry shift. Microsoft's Mu, with its 330 million parameters optimized for local execution, represents the other side of the accessibility equation. While Google focuses on making cloud-based AI free and seamless, Microsoft is pushing powerful AI capabilities directly onto local hardware. This dual approach suggests that the future of AI development will be hybrid, combining the raw power of cloud-based models with the privacy and speed advantages of local execution. The technical sophistication behind Microsoft's Mu model deserves particular attention. Training a 330 million parameter model that maintains high capability while being small enough for local execution required significant advances in model compression and training efficiency. The multi-phase training process on Azure's A100 GPUs represents months of optimization work to achieve this balance between performance and portability. This is not just about making models smaller, it is about making them smarter per parameter. The competitive response from other major players reveals how disruptive these moves are perceived to be. OpenAI's decision to rebuild their Codex CLI in Rust, moving away from TypeScript, signals a recognition that performance and developer experience will be key differentiators in this new landscape. Rust's performance characteristics and memory safety features make it an ideal choice for CLI tools that need to handle complex AI workflows efficiently. This technical arms race is driving innovation in unexpected directions. Each company is optimizing for different aspects of the developer experience while trying to manage the fundamental challenge of making AI both powerful and accessible. The result is a Cambrian explosion of approaches to AI tool design, each with distinct advantages and trade-offs. The broader implications for the AI ecosystem are profound. We are witnessing the democratization of AI capabilities that were previously available only to well-funded organizations. This democratization could accelerate innovation by removing barriers that have historically limited AI. Experimentation to companies with substantial resources. Independent developers, startups, and research teams now have access to the same foundational AI capabilities as major corporations. However, this shift also raises important questions about the sustainability of current AI business models. If advanced AI capabilities become freely available through tools like Google's Gemini CLI, how will AI companies maintain revenue streams sufficient to fund the massive computational costs required for model training and operation? The answer likely lies in the platform effects and ecosystem services that surround these core AI capabilities. The move toward open-source AI tools also has significant implications for innovation velocity. Open-source development models typically accelerate improvement through community contributions and rapid iteration cycles. As more AI tools adopt open-source approaches, we can expect to see faster evolution of capabilities and more diverse applications than would be possible under closed development models. Looking forward, this shift toward accessible, locally integrated AI tools represents a maturation of the artificial intelligence industry. We are moving beyond the early phase, where AI was a specialized service accessed through APIs, toward a future where AI capabilities are woven seamlessly into every aspect of the development workflow. This integration will fundamentally change how software is conceived, designed, and implemented. The implications extend beyond individual productivity to organizational capabilities. Teams that effectively integrate these AI tools into their workflows will have significant competitive advantages in terms of development speed, code quality, and innovation capacity. Organizations that fail to adapt to this new paradigm risk being left behind as AI. Enhanced development becomes the industry standard. As we continue to monitor these developments, it is clear that we are witnessing a pivotal moment in AI evolution. The combination of Google's open-source CLI strategy, Microsoft's local AI capabilities, and the broader industry response suggests that 2025 will be remembered as the year AI tools became truly accessible to every developer. This is AI Watch, and we will continue bringing you the insights you need to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. Thank you for joining us.